You was a bad boy through the night, wasn't you? Yeah, we're going to take you to the dog park. We're going to wear you out. That's right. That's right. Dog parks like this were designed to wear you out, puppy. Let's hope it does its job. Okay, we got to get through the double gates. One. We're open. Oh, this one ain't been latched. We're open. Now I better latch this one for the big dog side. Yeah, that's the big dog park right there. Better latch it down. And we open this one, and guess who gets released? You do, Mr. Kit. You do. All right, Mr. Kit. You're free. Go. Now it's time to wear you down. All right, this right here is going to be my dog's best friend. And my best friend, is he actually going to use the restroom? My puppy still has never used the restroom anywhere outside of his own front yard. He might, or he's just sniffing where every other dog used the bathroom. All right, Kit, ready? Right here, look what I got. Look what I got. Ready? Go get it. And there he goes. Bring it back. Come on, come on, come on. Here, ready? Here, Kit, ready? Go get it. The point of today is to wear him out, because last night he got up 3 different times because he had to use the restroom and he did not want to go back to bed. He wanted to play. So today we're gonna wear him out. He's 100% healed up from having the surgery when he was neutered, so he's gonna get worn out. Oh, we have another dog. He's a big dog. I hope you don't let him in on this side. Well, it looks like the big dog's going in on the other side. Hey, Kit, here. See if I just let it bounce down the sidewalk. He just ate something. What is it with these orange peelings? The second time I found one of these orange peelings down here. What the heck is up with that? All right, he found the one orange peel, right? More than one. Now I gotta find a garbage can. There's another one right there.
Garbage can's up there.
Kit, let's go to the garbage can. The thing about the orange peels is if your dog eats them, it may contain toxic compounds. So I'm gonna have to keep a very close eye. I'm picking up all the other stuff here. Oh, for God's sakes. Keeping a very close eye on him, make sure he doesn't eat these. This is, last time we was down here, he found orange peels then too.
Somebody has some.
So what, is someone come down here just sewing orange peels? Is one right yonder there too? Okay, let's sew these peels away. All right, back to playing with my puppy and wearing him down. Go get it, Kit. Go on. There you go. Good boy. Run, my puppy, run.
Don't get in the mud.
I hope this clip don't mix with the other clip because my GoPro just started to act up. Last time my puppy was down here, he wasn't too sure of it. Now he is going all over the place down here. He ain't shy one bit. But I'm gonna have to keep an eye on him, make sure he don't find any more orange peels. I don't understand why there's always orange peel. Oh, there's another one right yonder there. Right here. Oh, I'm not able to play with my puppy. Not able to play with him as much as I want to, because right now my concern is finding these orange peels. Oranges themselves is a healthy snack for your puppy, providing they don't get too much of it. But the orange peels can be toxic, and I don't want my puppy getting sick. Of course, the worst it might do to him is give him the backdoor trots, and I've already went through that. Okay, I think we're good. We'll head up to this side and maybe see if I get him chase some more balls. Here, ready? Hey, right here it is, buddy. Ready? Go get it. That's it. Oh, come on, kid. Come on, come on, come on, come on. He's already wearing out. I want to show you guys this. Here's a nice little bench you can sit on, and it's got puppies on either side of it. You know, it's funny, all the times I've been down here, I've never noticed these puppies here. How about you, Mr. Kid? Did you notice the puppies? All right, see if you do it. Kid, come. Come on, kid, come. Good boy. See, this is what I want to teach him to do a lot, in case he ever gets off the leash one day, like he did back about a month ago. This way he gets off the leash, I say, Kit, come, he'll come back to me. I'm hoping his big dog over yonder here, it's a big one too, kind of comes up to the fence, say howdy to Kit. I'm curious how he might react. Hear that? One of the prettiest sounds is church bells. That's pretty. Kit, come! Here he comes. Come on, boy, come on! All the while, good job. I love you. You know that? I do. I love you so much. You're a good puppy. Out of all the times I take him out for a walk, it doesn't he can't run full throttle like he's able to do here. I do have a fenced-in backyard. He's not able to run full throttle there as much as he can here. Here is where you wear your 7-month-old puppy out. All right, Kit, you ready? Let's do it a couple more times. Ready? Go get it. There you go. Let him get the ball. Okay. Come on, Kit, come on. Come on, Kit. Come. There he goes. That'd be kind of cool to do that shot in slow motion if I can. Yeah, if I'm able to pull it off, I'll probably make that shot in slow motion, guys. I think that'd be kind of cool. And there he goes up again. I like to say this is the only night this happened, but sometimes when it's time to go to bed, Kit will get up 2 and 3 times a night. And it doesn't matter how much of a walk I gave him or how much I played with him, he will wake up in the middle of the night and get in a playful mood. He did this last night, and since he had his surgery, he has not been back here to get ran out. And now he's 100% fine to do this, so we figured today we'd take him back here and run his butt out. All right, Angie, you want to throw the ball for him this time?
Go get it.
Go get it.
Go get it.
That's a big fail.
Definitely wearing out.
Yeah, leave it. There's so much crap all over this park today. I also found a couple piles of feces too. See, that's one of the reasons I don't go to the dog park near home, because last time I was there, it was loaded with feces. This one is still a better park. I still like to know what the deal was with the orange peels, because the last time we was here, and I think the time before, we keep finding orange peels. Is somebody walking around here just throwing orange peels down because they want to make the dog sick? I like to think not on that, because if somebody wants to make a dog sick, I'm sure they would go to other measures. You ready, bud? Okay, here we go. Go get it. There he goes. For a second there, I didn't think he was going to do it. Okay, get it, get it, get it. Come on, bring it back. Bring it back. Come on, come on, come on. Here he comes, here he comes. And there he goes. Good boy. Daddy is so proud of you. Back about, oh shoot, it was actually last Saturday, we had to take our puppy to the vet. We didn't actually have to take him, we had to take a stool sample because he had had the backdoor trots. Well, they gave us some medicine and he seems to be doing better now, okay? He seems to be doing a whole bunch better. He doesn't exactly have the backdoor trots right now. They're, you know. So, it does worry me when I see him eating things, because I don't know what gave him the backdoor trots in the first place. The only thing I'm making a connection with, I had him at Waterway Park the day before. Did he get a hold of something about me not knowing it? And it did scare me. And tell you what, if you want to know why it scared the crap out of me, it did. I would love to make a whole other video on that, but I'm not going to put it in this video. So if you want to know, put it down in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to make a video about it or tell you about it in the comments. All right, Kit, what do you think? One more time? What do you think? One more time, buddy? Ready? It's kind of hard to hold the camera and the ball here. Ready? Ready? Go get it! There he goes. I don't know, Ange. I still think he has some in him. Get the ball! Get the ball! Get the ball! Come on, bring it back! Bring it back! Get the ball! Come on, kid! Come! Well, he said heck with the ball. Yeah, I think he's tired. What do you think?
Oh, definitely.
Tell you what, want me to fetch the ball? Okay, and one of the things I love about Kit that Stormy never really did do is, you see we're walking down here to fetch the ball, which is supposed to be Kit's job. He will follow behind us. And there he is. Stormy, my other dog, once she got a little taste of freedom, she took advantage of that all the way. All right, guys, today's video was how to wear out your 7-month-old puppy. And the best way I know is to bring your puppy to a dog park where they have lots of room and let them run their little butts out. Well, I'm gonna throw the ball a few more times, and then I'm gonna head home, have lunch, and he's gonna take a nap, but he ain't gonna have a long nap. Because the next video you guys are gonna see, if everything works out well, we're gonna take a walk through town. And we're gonna look at the Christmas tree. That would be in your all's next video. Until next time, hit that like button. Because when you hit the like button, it does something for my channel. It actually gets it out there more, I don't know. But it's supposed to be a good thing for my channel. So until next time, guys, come on, let's get out of here. I'm gonna wear his butt out a little bit more, then we're gonna take him home.
You want it?
Well, actually, we're gonna take him to the store first, then home. We'll see you next time, guys.